to our receiver. We've been here for a little bit now, but so we should just about be done. From here, we're heading up to Arkansas. Heading to Arkansas to Crocette, Arkansas, and picking up a load, and that will that'll deliver on Saturday in Harrisonville, Missouri. So that's the agenda for today. Hopefully we can get on the road soon. We got about an hour up there to Arkansas. Then it's 8.5 hours to Harrisonville. So it'll be a big day. We'll try to knock some of it off today. So far, so good. All right, we're unloaded. Heading off to Crocette, Arkansas, or Crocette, I can't remember. This is North Monroe, Louisiana. It's north of Interstate 20. Across the Washita River from West Monroe, Louisiana, made famous by Duck Commander and Duck Dynasty. I like it over here. It's a city, but I like it. It's like there's some geese or snows or something. Maybe specks, I'm not sure. Circling around over there. We got about an hour until we get there. Hopefully this trailer's loaded for us and ready to go. We'll get
railroad crossing ahead.
We'll get hooked up and get on our way to Missouri. We're back on the road, all loaded up. We're about been on the road for a little over an hour. We're gonna head to TA 954 in Athens, Arkansas. It's a little over a 3-hour run. As I said, we're an hour into the trip. We're in southwest Arkansas. We're gonna basically run the western border of Arkansas up through into Missouri. We're going to pass through Pine Bluff, Little Rock, Fort Smith, and head on up through. this just got interesting. I got all 4 of these folks pulled over. They're about to pull another one over. I don't think they're coming to talk to me. Don't believe so. Gonna sit here. For a minute.
In 1,000 feet, keep left towards Interstate 40 West.
I don't know what the deal was there. That was crazy. That officer that's now
keep
at the back
left.
swerving in front of me and all kinds of stuff.
In 1,200 feet, keep left towards Interstate 40 West.
Don't know. We grabbed 5 cars and just taking them off. 2 officers are taking them off the interstate. I don't know. That's gonna about do it for today. We made it to the TA here in Arkansas. I can't remember what town it is. We'll have about a little over 4.5 hours to drive tomorrow. But that's going to pick up in the next video. So stay tuned for that one. Thank you guys so much for watching these videos. I appreciate it. I enjoy doing these. It's fun. Gives me something to do at night while I'm just hanging out, waiting for the clock to reset. So I enjoy it. So anyway, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you tomorrow.